In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create social media posts with Kapwing. Kapwing is an amazing online tool that allows you to create content quickly and efficiently. Whether you're making a personal post or creating content for business purposes, Kapwing's features can help you achieve a professional look with minimal effort. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Kapwing's website. It's a user-friendly platform that you can find at kapwing.com. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be presented with various options to sign in. For this tutorial, let's go with Sign In with Google. If you haven't used this option before, Kapwing will guide you through a quick setup process, linking it to your Google account. After signing in, Kapwing will take you to your project dashboard. Click on whichever project you want to open. If you're just starting out, you can create a new project. From here, you'll want to add the image or video you plan on using for your social media post. Simply drag and drop your media file into the editor window, or use the upload feature to select a file from your device. Next, you'll want to adjust the size of your project to fit the specific social media platform you're targeting. Click on Resize Project. Kapwing will give you several predefined dimensions suitable for different platforms. Let's go with the 864 by 1080 pixels option, which is great for Instagram posts. Once selected, go ahead and click Resize Project again to confirm your new dimensions. Now it's time to add some text to your post. Locate the text feature in the editor. Clicking on it will open a menu of text options. Look for View All, as this will display the different fonts and styles available. Choose a style that matches the tone and message you're crafting. Once selected, a text box will appear on your media. Type in your desired message or caption. Make sure it's clear and captures the essence of your content. With your text in place, you can move and adjust it to fit best within your composition. Don't be afraid to play with the placement and size until it looks just right. This step is crucial for maintaining a clean and readable post. Finally, you're ready to export your project. Find the Export Project button in the editor. Click on it, then choose Export as JPG for an image file that's easy to upload to your social media platform. Kapwing will process your project, and once it's ready, you can download the finished product to your device. That's it. You now have a polished social media post ready to share with your audience. With these steps, Kapwing simplifies the creation process, allowing you more time to focus on engaging content. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.